business librarian at Villanova University. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an APA citation for a company, industry, or market research report. So the first thing we need to do to get started is to get some familiarity with what the APA style is. You can use this guide that I created that will show you what an industry report looks like. So the format's generally last name, comma, first initial, the date of the publication in parentheses. The title of the report is italics, sentence style capitalization, and then there's a retrieve from statement that includes the publisher and or the URL of the report. Other really reliable sources for finding out what an APA citation should look like is the APA Electronic Style Guide to References and Purdue OWL. So Purdue OWL is over here, and to use Purdue OWL, the first thing that you need to do is use the list of types of resources to get an example, and you do the same thing with the electronic style guide. You look at this to find the type of document that you want to cite. I'm going to give you an example of how to cite a report that may be of relevance to the project that you're working on. The report is mobile app installs in 2019. You may have used a citation generator before. Citation Machine is a citation generator that's free, that works with APA. So if you wanted to use one of these, the first thing that you would do is choose the type of document you want to cite. So we're wanting to cite a report, none of these, so I'm going to look at other and see if there's something that works. And they have a form for report. So I'm going to go here, and the report that we want to cite is not in print. It's not just from a regular website, it's from an online database, so that's the form that I'm going to choose. The first thing it's asking for is the number, it's looking the report number, it's looking for the author, the title, volume and edition, if available, the publisher, the year, the pages. You see that you only include date accessed if the report is likely to be dynamic and change, and this one isn't, and the URL. The DOI is not something that is typically attached to a research report such as this. So I'm going to go over here and create a citation for this. I know I need the title, so I'm going to grab the title, copy that, and paste it in. And I know that I need the author's name. Type that in. Is 2019, and eMarketer is the publisher. I don't know where eMarketer is located, and I don't have a report number. I do have a URL though. And once this citation is generated, we're going to check it against the models that are either from Purdue OWL or from the APA Electronic Style Guide. So here you have an example of the citation, and we're going to check it against the model in the Electronic Style Guide. This is the most authoritative because it's published by the APA, and here is an example of how to cite reports. And so the report should be author last name, again, title italicized. There's the report number. We didn't have a report number. Description of the form is only relevant if it's a unique format, and then the retrieve from statement. So when we look at the citation that's generated, it doesn't quite correspond to that. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to edit it when I bring it into Google Docs. So I need to change this to lowercase. There's no report number, so I'm going to delete this. The model seems to have the retrieve from agency name. You could include that there, not before the retrieve from statement. So you might want to delete this, or you could reposition it over here, but this is probably a good clean citation, and then you also want to pay attention to creating a hanging indent in Google Docs. So in short, what you need to do is figure out what it is you're trying to cite, what kind of a document it is, find a good model of it, using either the APA Electronic Style Guide, or using Purdue OWL, or using my citation guide. You can use the citation machine to generate this citation, or you can just create a citation from scratch in Google Docs. Hope this helps.